Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best smoker gasket sealer is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of maintaining optimal smoking performance. A superior sealer ensures consistent temperature regulation, prevents heat loss, and significantly enhances the overall smoking experience by creating an airtight seal, leading to more flavorful and evenly cooked meats. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the right high-temperature gasket sealer for your smoker. Number 5. LavaLock Barbecue Gasket GL12. It's 15 feet long. This high-quality gasket is designed to withstand high temperatures, perfect for all barbecue smokers. Made with DuPont Nomex fibers, it's flame retardant and incredibly durable. It's trusted by barbecue pit manufacturers globally. Installation is a breeze. Just peel and stick this ultra-high temperature gasket. It self-cures once installed. This pro-grade gasket is denser than others, providing a superior seal for your smoker's door and lid. Designed by barbecue gasket experts and made with USA materials. Enjoy full USA-based product support and warranty. Upgrade your smoker with LavaLock. Experience superior heat resistance, easy installation, and long-lasting performance. What we like. It boasts an extra-long roll for larger smokers and is made with genuine Nomex material for superior heat resistance and durability. If you need a long-lasting, easy-to-install gasket for your smoker, this is the perfect choice. Its self-stick design makes installation a breeze, saving you time and effort. What people say. Used to seal gap between lid and body of pellet grills. No smoke. Works great, easy install. The included directions were good and clear on using a degreaser and alcohol and waiting at least 24 hours prior to using. On first use, the gasket greatly reduced and almost eliminated smoke escaping between the door and smoker. After a day with the lid sitting closed, the gasket material compressed enough to allow both lids to close up 100%. I've got about 100 hours of use on the smoker and there is zero indication of any adhesive failure or damage to the gasket, even on the firebox lid. There is absolutely zero smoke escaping from either chamber. Number 4. LavaLock RTV 650F Barbecue Grill Sealer. This high-temperature sealant is perfect for all your grilling and smoking needs. It's designed to withstand extreme heat and provide a long-lasting seal. It can handle temperatures up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for even the hottest BBQs and smokers. You can trust it to withstand intense heat. This sealant is completely safe for food contact, so you can use it with confidence. It won't affect the taste or safety of your food. It provides an excellent bond, making it perfect for sealing, creating, or adhering gaskets. It creates a strong, reliable seal every time. Use it on your barbecue grill, wood stove, or even kitchen appliances. It's versatile enough for many high-heat applications. This self-curing sealant is easy to apply and creates a watertight seal that's impervious to all weather. It's simple to use and long-lasting. What we like. This high-temperature silicone adhesive can withstand extreme heat and is safe for food contact. If you're looking for a versatile sealant for various high-heat applications, including your smoker, this is it. Its excellent bonding properties ensure a long-lasting, reliable seal. What people say. It helped seal up my kettle grill lid. This seal works really good. There are no more leaks. It definitely sealed the smoke in my offset. Number 3. Smoker Chef Grill Gasket. It's a game changer for your barbecue. This gasket helps you maintain a consistent temperature, leading to better cooked food every time. Made from premium, fire-resistant material, it can withstand high temperatures up to 660 degrees Fahrenheit. The strong adhesive ensures a long-lasting, airtight seal. With a total length of 30 feet, it's suitable for various smokers and grills, including Masterbuilt, Weber, and Traeger. Application is easy. Just clean the surface, peel off the backing, apply it around the grill and lid, and trim the excess. Let it set for 12 hours. We're confident you'll love it. But if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund. Click Add to Cart now and experience the difference. What we like. With its extra long length, it's perfect for various smoker models. It's made from high-performance materials to withstand high temperatures and provide a superior seal. If you need a versatile gasket that fits most smokers and provides excellent temperature control, this is a great option. What people say. The Smoker Chef XXL 20-foot grill gasket has transformed my smoking game. The day after I installed it, I noticed a significant improvement in temperature control. Whether I'm slow cooking or searing, the gasket locks in the heat flawlessly. No more frustrating fluctuations, just consistent results. Worked as advertised. Easy to install, and they are still holding up 3 months later after being exposed to the elements the whole time. The Smoker Grill Sealer has been a great addition to my setup. It helps keep both the heat and smoke locked in, making the cooking process more efficient and flavorful. The installation was easy, and it created a better seal around the grill, reducing heat loss and improving smoke retention. Number 2. UNCO Smoker Gasket. Say goodbye to smoke leaks. This gasket creates an airtight seal, keeping all the delicious smoky flavor inside your smoker. It's 15 feet long, so you can easily cut it to the perfect size for your smoker. No more struggling with ill-fitting seals. Made from high-quality, flame-retardant material, it can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to last. This gasket effectively seals gaps, preventing smoke and heat from escaping. Enjoy better temperature control and save on pellets. Just clean the surface, apply it, and let it sit for 24 hours. It's that simple to get a perfect seal. It's made of dense polyacrylonitrile material with a premium adhesive backing for a long-lasting, reliable seal. What we like. This gasket is easy to install and provides a good seal to prevent smoke leakage. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution to improve your smoker's performance, this is a great choice. It's designed for high-temperature use and will help maintain consistent heat inside your smoker. What people say. Placed around the edge of the grill lid and as advertised, it completes but down the leaking FO smoke, directing it to the stack, as intended. Really did improve the outcome of the smoke and produced some delicious smoked brisket, pulled pork and chicken. Seal that smoker. This stuff works great and holds up well. We use our pellet grill smoker 4 to 5 times per week. Built well, a little hard to peel but overall easy to install on the grill. Size was just right to go around the whole lid. It works like it should and keeps the smoke in the grill. Number 1. LavaLock Self-Stick Kit. Say goodbye to leaky grills. This kit makes repairing your barbecue smoker a breeze with its easy-to-use, self-stick gasket and high-temperature sealant. It's designed to withstand extreme heat, ensuring a long-lasting, airtight seal for your grill. This keeps the heat in and the smoke where it belongs. Installation is simple. Just peel and stick the gasket, then apply the sealant to any cracks or joints. No special tools are needed. It boasts a cutting-edge, high-temperature material blend, including aramid fibers for superior durability and strength. The black RTV sealant completes the superior seal. This kit offers significant cost savings compared to other repair methods. It's made in the USA by a leader in grill gaskets, guaranteeing quality and reliability. With LavaLock, you can easily repair your grill and enjoy delicious barbecue for years to come. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit includes both a self-stick gasket and high-temperature sealant for a complete solution. If you want a convenient and cost-effective way to seal your smoker, this kit is a great option. The combination of the gasket and sealant ensures a superior, long-lasting seal. What people say. The gasket material has its own adhesive on it. The gasket sealer works well for use around both the chimney and exterior of the firebox. Easy to apply and seals out air like a champ. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.